Yeah, we're here at Make-A-Wish. Where are we?
Celebration, and this is the Celebration Car Show. They do an amazing job every year. It's the exotic car show celebration, and it goes to benefit Make-A-Wish. Amazing weekend every year it grows.
We probably been doing celebration for about 11 years, and what happened is we were invited a while back, and somebody actually in our shop forgot to tell us about it, and the following year they called us again, and we wind up going there, and it was, first of all, I'm a big Make-A-Wish guy, and we were actually Make-A-Wish of the Year in 2005, so I've been very involved all this time. But it's a great event. We go there every year. They raise a ton of money. They grant wishes, and it's just put on very well. Great people do it. The same people do it every year. And actually, we had built the bike for them, and they were going to auction it off. We made the bike, the Make-A-Wish bike, and the part of the logo, I guess you could say, is the kids' handprints. And when we built the bike, we brought them to the shop, and we put paint on their hands, and they put the imprint of their hands on the gas tank. That was part of, was incorporated in the bike that we built. Yeah, every year they have like amazing cars there, $1 million, $2 million cars, and people bring their cars. They actually go to Daytona and race them also. So for me, there's not quite enough muscle cars, but there's definitely cool cars there. On Saturday, the place is really packed, and every year we get on our bikes, me and Joan, and we ride through the crowd. It's exciting for the people who are on our choppers, and then eventually I'll just stop and do some autographs and some pictures. Yeah, people come up to me, after we pull the bikes over and gather around us, and I take pictures and some autographs, and it's always excited because they're excited about it.
Make sure you subscribe, comment. What else?
Like and comment.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Damn it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.